through YouTube Studio. Uploading through YouTube Studio is the best way to upload your videos on YouTube. It is the best way to upload your video on YouTube. Okay, so quickly, let me show us how to do that. Let me show us how to do that. You go to your search bar, YouTube, youtube.studio, studio.com. Okay, sometimes it happens like this. Just don't, but you can just go to say, but it's youtube.studio.com. All right, YouTube Studio. Let me just type YouTube Studio for the sake of time. So it will not look like you are searching for it. So you just tap YouTube Studio, but youtube.studio.com. And then the interface will open for you. All right, so this is the interface. Now, to upload a video is very, very simple. Okay, so click on create up there. Let me zoom in a little and scroll so that you can see it clearly. You see it, create, tap on create, upload videos, create. It will give you option create, upload videos, go live, and some other options. So just click upload videos. Then you come down here and tap on select files. Remember to rename your video in your gallery before you start this process. The name or the title of the video, name your file, name the video, the title of a video before you start this process. All right, upload photos and video. Oh, all right, videos. All right, so this is the video I want. Select. Right, so it's trying to upload. Okay, so this is the title already of the video. Eastern Service Administration medley. All right, so the title automatically came up here. You see, it's still uploading. You still see file name. You see it, Eastern Service. Yeah, and that's the link already of the video created. So after this, you come here and describe your video. Describe your video, what the video is all about. Just a brief description of a video. If it's a movie, if it's a clip, if it is a music video, if it is whatever it is, just describe. Just 2, 3, 4 lines at most. All right, so you give it that description. I don't want this video to be long, so let me just pause and finish up this part. I paused the video, so we are back. So you see, I just gave it a brief description. Eastern Service Administration music medley by Sam Prezi Chill. This spirit filled medley will not only bless but uplift and edify your spirit to a whole new level. You can just put just little hashtags. All right, and then you come here to upload your thumbnail. upload a thumbnail they will see once they click on the video. I've already created a thumbnail. If you don't know how to create thumbnails, they are very simple. You can use Canva. You can download what is it called now? Thumbnail Creator. Or if you want me to do designs for you, you can just chat me up. I will be able to do a design for you for your thumbnails for every single video you want to upload. So this is my thumbnail already created. So I'm going to tap on it. You see it's uploading. You see it's uploading. Yes, it has uploaded. So this will be the picture you will see when you click on the video. So playlist select. No playlist list. So I want to create a playlist. Let me create a playlist. Okay, medley, worship. So every worship medley will be on this playlist. Every worship medley. So that's the title. Okay, description. You can just add a description. What's worship medley all about? You know, from one spirit-filled song to the other, non-stop. However, I don't have the details on exact words you need to use. All right, so just make a. All right, let me just do something quickly. Okay, so you put the description. Worship medley. What's worship medley? All about, just a description to worship medley, since it's the title of the playlist. Just something. All right. I typed something already, so I just had to copy and paste. This is a series of, I think ChatGPT helped me here. This playlist entails series of two or more worship songs linked together and performed with a non-stop music. What's the rest now? You get, but I know you understand what I'm trying to say. So that's that for that. So quickly, visibility. You will need to put it on private for 24 hours. All right. So by then, the algorithm would have gone through your video. All right. Knows everything that your video entails. So by the time you release it, it already have your audience handy and then begins to suggest your videos to your audience. All right. So that's why you need to put it on create playlist, new playlist. So let's go worship medley. All right, because every medley you make is you are going to be putting it under this playlist. Okay, so that from one worship medley to the other, people will just flow with your videos. All right, but if they are a complete song, that one you can create a special playlist for as well. Praise songs, worship songs, however it is, whatever genre, whatever angle of what that session entails. So okay, worship medley, just add a little description. Okay, I've already typed something and then I just needed to paste it here. This session, this playlist entails a series of two or more worship songs linked together, performed with a non-stop in the music. What are the other things I wrote? I've forgotten. All right, I'm only trying to give you an idea of what to do there. So that's that. So from here, you put it on private. Why you need to put it on private and don't upload immediately is because the algorithm will take the next 24 hours to watch, analyze your video, and analyze the audience that are in need of it based on the search, online. So it has read your videos, you know, gotten details of it, and then so that it can suggest it to the appropriate audience. So that's why you need to put it on private. So after 24 hours, you can now on private it. So let's create. That's that. Okay. So we are done. No, you select no, it's not for kids. Next. You select no, it's not for kids. And then next. Click next. While you are at this, the algorithm is automatically working already. So see here. You see checks complete, no issues found so far. No issues found so far. So if there are issues of copyright and the rest, it will show here. You will need to take off that video, because if your channel have copyright issues, it will not be monetized. All right, and if it had money copyright, if it has been monetized and then it has copyright issues, they might warn you. All right, or they will demonetize you automatically, and they will give you reasons why. Sometimes they warn you once, twice, thrice before they demonetize you. Some other times they just demonetize you straight ahead. So you need to be very, very careful while you are doing this. All right. So let's continue. You see, as we are working, details checked, video elements, checks itself also check. So video element, add end, add an end screen. This is if you have another video. I don't have another video to add right now, so that sometimes we are watching a video and then before the video finishes or close to when it is finishing, you'll see another video at the top right hand corner most of the times, waiting to play. This is where and how to do that. Okay, so you tap import video. There are no videos for me to do, so this one will do it in another another session. All right, let me not make this video too long. All right, so let's continue. Having understood this part, next. All right, so you see, so far we don't have any issues, so we're still going to click. We'll check. I read this now for you to have a better understanding of what I'm saying. We will check. Let me zoom a little. We will check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix issues before publishing your video. I believe you can see that now. And then so far we have no copyright issues, no issues found. All right, so we are going ahead. Next, Next. All right. So visibility. We'll put it on. Remember, private. It will be on private. All right. So you can decide to schedule it. Let's schedule. Today is what, Monday? Okay. By tomorrow. Today is 23rd already. Oh, wow, that's serious. So 24th. Let's do 24th. Let's do 24th. Let's do 24th. 24th. 2 a.m. That's tomorrow morning. Or no, that time is 4 a.m. You can schedule it to whatever time, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 5 p.m., whatever time you want, all right? Whatever time you you want to schedule it, you can schedule it as that. Okay, so what else? What else? What else? Schedule. Once you click schedule, it will be scheduled. All right, so schedule. So your video will be set to public on September 24th, 2005 at 6 a.m. Close. So that's how to upload properly using YouTube channel dashboard, using YouTube Studio. It's as simple as ABC. Please, if you find this video helpful and insightful, do well to subscribe to the channel and please leave me a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video or share also with a friend that you feel might be interested in this. Please like the video, comment, and share. You can hit the notification button. Okay, this is a community in WhatsApp, YouTube community I have in WhatsApp. I only describe what you just watched, just with voice notes. And as you can see, someone has already engaged it even before I did this video. I had to screenshot it for proof's sake. He didn't share the link just by using the Google Chrome, the dashboard, YouTube channel dashboard. See the views he got in 24 hours, 189 views, barely 24 hours.